Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Nana, you know the vibe, we see you looking. You should smell the aroma in the kitchen when she cooking. She the real deal when she make a home cooked meal. She's Nana the Saucy Chef, she got skills. Nana the Saucy Chef, she got skills.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making an egg boil with ramen noodles. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 1 cup of chicken broth, 6 eggs, 1 tablespoon of hot sauce, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of Old Bay seasoning, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of lemon pepper seasoning. I'm using the one with no salt. 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of dried parsley flakes, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 1/2 of a small onion diced, 1/2 of a lemon juiced, 1 stick of unsalted butter, and 1 pack of ramen noodles. To a pot of boiling water, I'm going to add in my eggs. You want to let your eggs boil for 10 minutes. As you can see, one of mine had cracked, but it'll be okay. Now in a small bowl, you want to just add your Old Bay, your paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, lemon pepper seasoning, and chili powder. And all we're going to do is whisk it together. Now in a pan, you want to melt your stick of butter. Once your butter has melted, you can go ahead and add in your onion and also your minced garlic, and you want to let that saute for about 3 minutes. Now you want to go ahead and add in your seasoning, and we're going to mix that up real good. Now you want to add in your tablespoon of hot sauce and also your chicken broth. And we're just going to go ahead and give that a mix, and we're going to let that simmer. Now guys, you can add in your lemon juice. And guys, if you want it a little bit more spicier, you can add in some Cajun seasoning. Remember, taste as you go along. If you want to add anything else into it, you can. Okay guys, after a couple minutes of simmering, you can now turn it off. Once your eggs are done, all you want to do is set them in cold water so it'll make it easier for when you peel them. Okay guys, so I have my sauce in a bowl, and I also have my eggs cut into half. Okay guys, to a pot of boiling water, you want to add in your ramen noodles. And we're going to let them cook for about 3 minutes. Okay guys, after 3 minutes, we're going to just go ahead and remove our noodles. Okay guys, now it's time to plate. So all we're going to do is take our noodles and we're going to put them in the center of our bowl. Next, we're going to take our eggs and we're just going to sit them around the noodles. Okay guys, now I'm going to grab some of the sauce with a ladle, and we're just going to go over top of our noodles. You want to put some over your eggs and drizzle that along your eggs. Now guys, all you want to do is take some of your dried parsley and just sprinkle it over top. There you have it. Okay guys, so this is our egg boil with ramen noodles. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.